Alright mate, now we're going to explore the wild. It's about to get crazy soon. Hold on to your jackets. Okay guys, we're visiting the wild monkey in its natural habitat. Oh, there she is. She's probably on Instagram. We're also visiting the Australian elephant. She's so crazy, she's literally watching Barbie movies. Alright guys, now if you listen closely, you can hear the turtles. Gotta get down and listen for the turtles. Alright mate, next I hear a magical unicorn. Oh, I see it. Approach it quietly or else it will attack. Approach it quietly. Like I said, so you don't get attacked.
Due to the violence of the unicorn, this show is now over. Maya out.